Hello students, welcome to class 4th session, a busy month, lesson by written Gijubai Badeka. Friends, do you know that in our last session we had discussed about the beak of different birds. You can see the picture of that to tear and eat meat, to make holes in wood and tree trunks, to suck nectar from flowers, to find insect from mud and shallow water, to break and crush seeds, to cut and eat many kind of foods. Today's talk is about the facial section, how the animal's teeth. If we consider our teeth, human beings, that teeth is supporting to give us facial expressions, talking, speech therapy, and beautifulness regarding the face. Now, the first point is about the cow's teeth. Cow have a short front teeth for sniffing grass. The teeth on the sides are large and long and flat, that it can chew the grass like cuddling. Cats have a sharp teeth for tearing and cutting meat. Snakes' teeth are little bit curved, so they can catch their prey very easily. Snake always have a swallow their food whole, so they use to teeth for biting and curved the food. Snake don't use the food for tearing or cutting, as it is engulfing or swallowing the whole food. Squirrels' front teeth keep growing throughout their life. They have to keep gnawing on the things to keep their teeth from becoming too long. Now, find out about your own teeth and write. In this section, we can come to know that being as a child, we do not have a teeth. During the 0 to 12 years or 11 years, our teeth are growing and coming. Simply we call it as a dudhya dant in our local language. Many a times this is a problematic for some children. So right now, how many teeth do you have? How many fallen or broken? That also we can note it down by our observation. That I will write and send you. Regarding, if we talk that what is the total number of teeth in adult, even younger one, then we called as a battisi. Battisi means 32. We all have a 32 teeth, and some milk teeth, dudhya dant, it is falling and growing once again. The dentist is usually advising us to brush our teeth very properly and regularly. One more observation we have to do, that our friend's teeth are the different kind of teeth, and one front tooth and one back tooth in your notebook, we can see the differences. Now, furthermore, they have given us some imagination. What is our imagination? That if we do not have a teeth, what will happen? How we will choose the system of eating? That all we shall discuss in our next session. Some example also I will give you. Till then, I remain here. Thank you.